Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys a banger niche that you can get onto. Before we get into that, I want to give you some context on the niche's like sort of genre. The niche is in commentary clipping. This is not it. This is an older niche, but here's an example. Basically, they would use clips from this show and add a voiceover, adds the style to it. Just here, check it out.
The real thing, and I cannot believe it is sitting in my shop.
This guy claims to have sunken treasure. Wait to see how much he asks for it.
This clump of treasure coin.
So this is from the show, and they would basically add captions, adjustment layers, anything needed just to make the video good. And they would have a voiceover, and they can claim fair use, where you can most likely monetize it. Other examples would be something like POV Biker. It's just other people's clips, it's biker clips. And you can just check one out.
This biker pulled a wheelie and the driver behind him got extremely angry. The dude swung a baton and tried to attack.
So he's just using, not from a show this time, but this is biker clips. He niched down into bikers. And it's commentary. It's just commentary clipping. Finding a clip, commentating over it. Today, I found a brand new one that just started 1 week ago. I'm going to be showing you it. This channel just started. I mean, check it out. They just started 11 million views in 1 week, and they barely even have a row of videos. I mean, they just started 7 days ago with 10 million views. This is a banger opportunity. You guys have to get onto it. Someone has to get an account going. This is first come, first serve type opportunity. You're not going to have a bunch of you guys winning, but the ones who are able to be consistent, see this opportunity, learn how to edit quickly, get an account going quickly, pass 0 views quickly, get all of this going in like 1 day, and continue the same pace, you'll win. Not everyone will. That's just the sad truth. So for all of you who are maybe too late or maybe will not really want to get into this opportunity, the best thing for you to do is to study it. See what they do, and for the next one, search for the next one and get it going. I think I'm going to end the video here. Use this knowledge to the best of your ability. This is a bang opportunity for you guys. Someone has to get onto it. Someone has to make money with it. And I'll see you in the next one.